Alright, so this is the result of 4 packs. Let's dump more. I will show you how. Come on. I cannot struggle on. Oh, I know what to do now. Bam! I know what to do. I know what to do. I'm a smart kid. No, wait, is that? Yeah, only 4. Only 4. I got 4 more. That's 5. How come I didn't did this before? 6. Guys, when you're cutting through the plastic, you're adults. Adult is what you need. We almost made it. Come on, I could do this. It's 7. One more, come on. Come on, you can do this, man. 7, 8, 8. Come on, you can do this. So this is the result of 8. Now, what you need to do is you stir well. So, I guess you need a spoon. Stir it. Whoa. Oh, you know what? I need a bigger container. I need a bigger container. Power everything in, baby. Oh, yeah, both sides. Come on. I don't even care about the result now. Seriously, I don't. Oh, yeah, I didn't add water on this. Did I add water? Yeah, I did. I did. The water, I didn't add enough water. God. Oh my goodness, this is such as a fail. But that's okay, it's my first time. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do now. Oh, wait. Hope is coming. Hope is coming. It's getting softer. I could steer well. Alright, man. Just don't give up. Here's a lesson, man. Don't give up, man. I remember the second marking period. You know what? In the school, IS-237, oh yeah, this is the part I need to pause.